Welcome to World Best CR. If you love this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Best CR for more incredible automotive content, where we bring you the most thrilling, high-performance machines on the planet. Today, we are diving into a true icon, the Nissan Z Nismo. A perfect blend of affordability, performance, and heritage, this sports car is here to redefine the game. If you're looking for a powerful yet budget-friendly thrill machine, stay tuned because this is the best affordable sports car. The Nissan Z Nismo is more than just a car, it's a legacy reborn. Carrying the DNA of the legendary Z series, it brings modern performance, aggressive styling, and track-ready precision at a price that won't break the bank. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful Z ever built. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission tuned for faster shifts, this beast can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.0 seconds, but it's not just about straight-line speed. With a reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension, and a Nismo-Tuned exhaust, the Nissan Z Nismo offers an exhilarating driving experience that puts you in complete control. The Nissan Z Nismo is designed to turn heads. With a bold, aggressive front fascia, wider stance, and signature red Nismo accents, it commands attention on the road. The redesigned front bumper and aerodynamic enhancements not only give it a race-ready look but also improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, provide the grip needed to tackle sharp corners with confidence. At the rear, the massive spoiler and quad exhaust setup complete the aggressive stance, making it clear, this car means business. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that blends technology, comfort, and sportiness. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel with a red Nismo center marker, along with Recaro sport seats, provides the perfect balance of grip and comfort. The 12.3-inch digital display is customizable, giving you real-time performance stats at a glance. And for tech lovers, the Nissan Z Nismo doesn't disappoint. With a 9-inch infotainment screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system, every drive feels immersive and connected. Built for precision and agility, the Nissan Z Nismo is equipped with performance upgrades that take it beyond the standard Z. The stiffer chassis, enhanced suspension tuning, and limited slip differential ensure razor-sharp handling. Whether you're on the track or carving through mountain roads, the electronic power steering and upgraded braking system provide confidence and control at every turn. With the Nismo-Tuned launch control system, the acceleration is instant, delivering maximum power to the wheels for a seamless driving experience. Safety is just as important as speed. The Nissan Z Nismo comes loaded with advanced safety features to keep you in control at all times: adaptive cruise control for effortless highway driving, lane departure warning to keep you on track. Blind spot monitoring for added awareness, automatic emergency braking to avoid collisions. With these features, you can push the limits with confidence, knowing that your car is looking out for you. So, why should you choose the Nissan Z Nismo? Because it delivers raw power, sharp handling, and track-inspired performance, all at an affordable price point. With its legendary heritage, aggressive styling, and modern technology, it stands out as the best affordable sports car in the market today. If you're looking for a sports car that delivers thrills without breaking the bank, the Nissan Z Nismo is the ultimate choice.